all Lenovo-based computers, you want to loosen the edge around the whole computer. Here you can use your fingers, you can use a small flathead. And then on the bottom here, I kind of had to pry from I did right to left to get the first one out. And it kind of takes a decent amount of force to grab and pull out. It doesn't want to stay. All right. The only tool you really need here is the Phillips screwdriver, and there's going to be 4 bolts here that hold this bad boy in, and 1 ribbon connector cable. Get that off here. I usually lay them down flat. We don't have battery, so don't worry about it. There's a little piece of tape here. There's a little paperclip looking thing. You peel up, release that. Old screen valve. Grab our new screen here, courtesy of laptop screens. Slap her down. Plug her in. The only times I've ever run into problems is not getting the ribbon cable all the way in, and just make sure you do that. You can retape it, or you can use the same tape if you're able to peel off the original tape without killing it. Don't worry about the rumbling, doesn't matter. We'll do that too. You go straight down on these brackets. Good thing with plastic is nice tactile feel when you get it in. Bad thing with plastic is it is possible to break them. In which case, you'd be probably pretty annoyed. But here's the fun. Check it out. Make sure you check the bottom, middle. And should we get to fire this bad boy back up? And here we go. We're live. No damage. No discernible difference. Actually, there's a difference in this one, but it's going from matte to glossy. But hey, there you go. Bye.